Good morning, welcome to the D-Vlog. Quite like that, D-Vlog. It's pretty cool. It's Tuesday, I'm ready for the day. It's gonna be a busy day, all the kids are back at school. For some reason they had the day off yesterday, which was weird. But yeah, busy day. I've got going to Littleham tonight, so get some footage out there, some slow-mos and stuff like that. Other than that, it's the last week of the month. I'm trying to push myself to work harder and everything, but I will see you later. Hey, yo, what's going on? We're doing Insanity, it's the second day. We're gonna kill it. The kids are asleep, so that's why I'm speaking quietly. Shh. So, I've just done the first workout routine for Insanity. How do you feel?
Hot, sweaty and bothered.
But we feel good. We feel good. We feel like we've worked hard. Sean T, peace out. Thanks for watching the Dancing Vlogger. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And as always, I will see you later.